Welcome to the workshop. In this video, the focus is on the distributor cap inspection of an 800 cubic centimeters 3-cylinder engine. The distributor is a vital part of the ignition system because it delivers high-voltage electricity from the ignition coil to each spark plug in the correct firing order. When the distributor cap is clean and in good condition, the engine starts easily, idles smoothly, accelerates properly, and operates efficiently. However, if the distributor cap becomes cracked, worn, dirty, or damaged, it can lead to misfires, rough idling, poor fuel economy, hesitation during acceleration, and even complete engine starting failure. Regular inspection of the distributor cap is an important maintenance task for older ignition systems. Dust, oil, moisture, vibration, and high voltage can gradually damage the cap over time. A careful inspection allows worn or damaged parts to be identified before they cause serious ignition problems. This simple procedure helps improve engine reliability and reduces the risk of unexpected breakdowns. Before beginning the inspection, prepare all the necessary tools and equipment. Having everything ready makes the work faster and helps avoid mistakes during disassembly. A clean work area is equally important because dirt entering the distributor can affect ignition performance. The tools required include a screwdriver set for removing the distributor cap screws or clips, a socket set if needed for nearby components, a clean lint-free cloth, electrical contact cleaner, a soft brush for removing dust, a flashlight for inspecting the inside of the cap, insulated gloves, safety glasses, and a permanent marker or masking tape for identifying spark plug wires if required. A digital multimeter may also be useful for additional electrical checks later in the inspection process. Safety should always be the first priority when working on any ignition system. High-voltage components can produce a dangerous electrical shock even though the vehicle. The next step is to remove the distributor drive gear lock pin. This small steel pin secures the drive gear to the distributor shaft and prevents the gear from rotating independently. Before removing the pin, clean the gear and shaft with a wire brush or a clean cloth to remove grease, dirt, and rust. A clean surface makes the lock pin easier to see and reduces the chance of contamination entering the distributor during disassembly. Place the distributor on a solid workbench or support it securely in a bench vise with soft jaws to avoid damaging the aluminum housing. The distributor must be held firmly, so it cannot move while the lock pin is being driven out. Ensure the drive gear is fully supported, leaving enough clearance underneath for the lock pin to exit. Select a pin punch that matches the diameter of the lock pin. Position the punch squarely on the end of the pin. Using a small ball peen hammer, strike the punch with light, controlled blows. Thanks for watching.